Why have you chosen to be poor when there is so much money in this world? How to make money. Awaken the Millionaire Within, Episode 7. Only the other day, you received reminders from the credit card companies for whatever you consumed on the plastic. Jack, the salesman from the Ford company, called the day before to remind you that you are 4 payments behind on your new convertible. And now you feel life is miserable. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Matedon2 and allow the notification bell so you won't miss another episode. Let us meet tomorrow for episode 8. May God be with you.
I believe in God.